Hi guys, this is Praveen. Welcome back to all of you. So today I have a very important 5 unique words of vocabulary. Here I am going to discuss about all of them. Firstly, if you have not subscribed my channel, so kindly subscribe and press the bell icon for the upcoming videos. So now we are going to discuss about the 5 special vocabulary words. First word is gonjo. Gonjo means relating to or being a style of journalism marked by a lack of objectivity due to the writer's immersion in the subject and often participation in the activity being documented. Giving in some examples regarding this word, off camera, he is much more the gonjo journalist. Another example is song is everybody gets what he deserved from the album The Gonjo Music 2006. So now we are going to discuss about second word is mulierbrity, means womanly quantities or womanliness. Okay, now I am giving you some more example regarding this word, like she demonstrated a refined mulierbrity. Okay, and like my weakness was womanhood, so my mulierbrity my ruin. Okay, now I would like to give you one more example regarding this word with the full of sentence that would be like a long sentence. Okay, so if you are using this word in a long term, then you can use it in very simple way. Like I'm giving one more example regarding this word. Her mulierbrity would be reflected in a round and large body with generous breast, developed hips, associated as maternity characteristics. Okay, so now we are going to discuss about next word is hippopotomonstrosis cupidophobia. You can learn this word from the large because it's a long word. Then you can be hesitate to pronounce, so just you can learn the meaning of this word from this politeness. Okay, like long word and you are hesitating, that you can learn the meaning of this word, the fear of long words. And there is another meaning of this word is a morbid fear of abnormally long words. I am giving you one example of this, like a word in a sentence, like he only ever used words of 3 syllables or less. He has hippopotomonstrosis cupidophobia. Okay, so now we are going to discuss about the next word. It is floxinosinhilipilification. It means the action or habit of estimating something as worthless. I am giving you another meaning of this word. The act of considering something to be not at all important or useful or used merely as an example of a very long word. Okay, I'm giving you some examples for this word. The honor of being the longest non-technical word goes to floxinosinilifilification. Okay, giving you one more example for the same word. I used floxinosinilifilification. You can, if you are unable to speak the whole word at a time, then you can like speak floxinosinilifilification. Okay, there's no issue, you can speak it in that way too if you are able to. When you will be able to speak in the same at fast at the same word combined, then try to do the same. Okay, so the word is I used floxinosinilifilification in an essay once and the teacher wrote in the margin, I am not giving you extra marks for this. Okay, now we are going to discuss about the last word, lalocasia. Lalocasia means like emotional relief gained by using indecent or vulgar language, like do backbiting, abuse someone, then getting relief by others. So there is an example for this word. You know what, Akash is a lalocasia because when he abuses others, he makes himself in gratitude. So now it has been done. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. I hope you would like the video. So kindly like, subscribe and press the bell icon for the upcoming videos. I don't want you to miss any video from my side because that would be so fruitful for you and for your communication skills. Have a good day.